Hello, hello, hello. This is your favorite global travel expert, Suzanne Sellers, also known as SuzyDee. I am owner of SuzyDee Travel LLC, based in Chicago, Illinois, USA. Today is Saturday, June 15th, 2024, and I am on the beautiful island of St. Lucia. I'm staying at the Jade Mountain Resort and Spa on the island of St. Lucia, and I am about to show you my sanctuary. I have my own private bridge to my sanctuary. They don't call these rooms or suites because they're much bigger than that. Very high ceilings, a nice breeze. You all can't feel it, but it's so wonderful. A nice large foyer area. Do you see how high those ceilings are? I is much taller than 10 feet. If I had to guess, I'd say 30 feet ceilings, 30 foot. A table with a nice wood lamp, beautiful brick partitions. This is a large closet door with, I'm not sure what's in it, but that's okay. It's electrical stuff because you can see lights in there. A full length mirror. Walk up 3 stairs. Another beautiful lamp and table, handcrafted wood. My own plunge pool that is 5 feet deep. I'll go to the left first. Here's the nice closet area with 3 sections. There's a nice refrigerator cabinet. There's my ice bucket. Well appointed. Everything is included. I don't drink alcohol, so they brought me a beautiful sparkling apple non-alcoholic that I was drinking last night. They had beer and wine in here. I had them to remove that since I don't drink alcohol, but that's also included in the all-inclusive plan. Here's a snack box that they keep fully stocked. Sandwiches and pastries and fruit. Here's a coffee table. You have your espresso machine with the pods. And then you also have a traditional coffee pot, which is what I used this morning. And I will give them 5 stars for this coffee. This is the first in-suite, in-room coffee that I've had, and I travel all over, and that tastes really good. Jade Mountain, St. Lucia. Teas, Mighty Leaf brand. A nice chair. There's mats if you want to do some stretching. Again, 5 feet pool, plunge pool, private infinity plunge pool in the sanctuary. Now let's go this way. Walk up these 2 stairs. Another full-length mirror. Deep whirlpool in the sanctuary. Here's the bathroom. There's your shower with the rain head and handheld. Here is your bathroom amenities. That's easy. what that is. This is a his and her sink, or double sink for whoever. I'm here by myself. Another ceiling fan. Here's one nightstand, king size bed with the mosquito netting. The bed sleeps very well. Very well. I loved it. I had a great sleep last night. Full dresser. Here's a tablet where you order stuff. There's a menu, 24-hour in-room dining, in sanctuary dining, 2 USB ports to plug up your phone or whatever. And then they also give you this power strip. Another nightstand. Let's go this way. A nice sitting area with ottoman, books. Let me go over here. Another table with all of these neat amenities. They gave me my own beach bag that I get to take home. Very nice. You get a phone and your butlers. You have 24-hour butler service that you call using this phone. They gave me a water bottle that I get to take home, Jade Mountain. They gave me a nice welcome letter, and my butler is calling right now. As you see, I got breakfast delivered to my room, and there's my view, the Pitons. Have a great day. Bye.